Hello, my dear students. Wish you all a very happy new year. We all are beginning this year with lots of hope that we'll come back to normal life. Let us all pray together for this. Now, New Year reminds us two things: celebration and resolution. Setting a resolution is a good habit to renew ourselves in the new year. We can utilize this new year to gear up with new habits. We can wisely choose to inculcate a good habit in our daily routine to make a big difference in our life. Small steps we are going to take today decides the future. So, we the SMP teachers are sharing our resolutions with you all.
Hi kids, let us make some New Year resolution on learning new languages. Read attempt to say out loud a tongue twister. Sing the alphabet. Watch short video. Write one or two sentences to sum up your D. Like this you can learn new languages. Children, now I am going to say some different languages in English. Always learn good habits in Telugu. ఎప్పుడు మంచి అలవాట్లనే నేర్చుకోవాలి. In Hindi, हमेशा अच्छी आदतें सीखना चाहिए. In Tamil, எப்பவும் நல்ல பழக்கங்களை கற்கணும். Okay children, Happy New Year everyone. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hi, hello kids. Let us make some New Year resolution on 2021. Learn something new each day. Learn from your parents, elders, neighbors, books, magazine, Google and your surroundings. But something new each day. Why should we learn? Because learning is living, growing, universal and acknowledgement that you are alive. So children, start with learning something new each day. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Here comes my New Year resolution, learning new skills. A skill is the learning ability. In everyday life, the development of life skills help us to find new ways of thinking, problem solving, time management, self-motivation, etc. The more we develop our life skills individually, the more it benefits the world.
Everyone, my New Year resolution on saving money. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Spend less, save more. Happy New Year!
Hello children, let us make some New Year resolution on how to be punctual. To be punctual, we have to plan in advance and always be prepared for tomorrow. Punctuality is the key to success. We have to always be on time for school or online class. We have to always prepare a to-do list and complete today's work on the same day. As we all know, tomorrow never comes. Do not postpone anything. We should always leave time for any unexpected delay. So always start early. Happy New Year!
Hello everyone. My New Year resolutions is book reading. Books are our best friends when we are bored. Reading is important because it develops our thoughts, gives us endless knowledge and lessons while keeping our minds active. So let's make 2021 the best years of our lives by believing in ourselves and discovering a new person in our lives. Happy New Year to all!
And Happy New Year to every one of you. This year my resolution is helping others. Helping others is not only good for them but also it is good for us because it makes us happier and healthier too. It's helping connecting with new people. It improve our moods and thinking. So I want every one of you to take a resolution and even help your parents in chariots and your friends too. Once again, I wish you a Happy New Year and a lovely year ahead. Thank you.
हाय बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हैप्पी न्यू ईयर 2021। मेरा संकल्प है समय का सब लोग सदुपयोग करना है। सदुपयोग कैसे करेंगे आप? समय से उठना है, समय से सोना है, समय से खाना है, समय से पढ़ना है। इस तरह समय का उपयोग करना है। थैंक यू बच्चों। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
Hi everyone, how are you all? I think all are doing good. For the coming new year, my resolution is spending time for myself because nowadays everyone is busy in their own works. So taking personal time is difficult for all of us. So I decided to spend some time for myself. Thank you children. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, children! My resolution for this year 2021 is stop procrastinating. Do you all know what is the meaning of procrastinating? The meaning of procrastinating is the action of delaying or postponing something. My advice is never do tomorrow what you can do today, because procrastination is the thief of time and also the enemy of success. Happy New Year, children!
Hello everyone, my new year resolution is a meditation. Meditation is being in tune with our inner universe. Meditation reduces stress, anxiety, depression and pain, enhances peace, perception, self-concept and well-being. The thing about the meditation is you become more and more you. It helps us to think positive emotional stability. Happy New Year, children!
హలో చిల్డ్రన్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? అందరూ బాగున్నారు కదా? ఈ సంవత్సరం అంటే 2021 సంవత్సరంలో నా రెజల్యూషన్ని తెలుగులో సంకల్పము అంటారు. సో నా రెజల్యూషన్ వచ్చేసి యోగా ఎక్సర్సైజ్. ప్రతిరోజు నేను ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ యోగా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయాలనేసి నేను సంకల్పించుకున్నాను. మీరు కూడా చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే మన ఆరోగ్యం మన చేతుల్లో, అనే నినాదాన్ని నేను గట్టిగా నమ్ముతాను. యోగా లేదా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయడం వల్ల మన యొక్క మనసు, మన యొక్క శరీరం అనేది మన కంట్రోల్లో ఉంటుంది, మన యొక్క ఆధీనంలో ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి సో నేను ప్రతిరోజు యోగా మరియు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయాలని నేను నిశ్చయించుకున్నాను. మీరు కూడా చేయాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్.
हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो? सब बढ़िया? मेरा संकल्प लर्न टू मैनेज योर इमोशन. भावनाएं जगाएं, जज्बा बढ़ाएं, स्वयं को शांत करें, भावनाओं को जानें, हल निकालें.
My dear students, my New Year resolution is spending the quality time with my family and relatives.
Hello my dear students, for this new year my resolution is don't judge others without knowing fact. Sometimes we judge the content of book by seeing its cover page. Mistakes will happen. So I decided to improve my analytical skills. Happy New Year.
Hello children, my resolution is to practice good healthy habits. When diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need.
Hello everyone. My New Year resolution is to broaden my knowledge. Recent days we all are spending a lot of time with technology. So I realized, why don't we use this opportunity to improve our knowledge? So I decided to learn more new things this year. Thank you.
Hi dear students, my resolution for this new year is early to bed and early to rise. So getting up early in the morning helps to start the day well before in a planned manner to lead successful life.
Good morning children, happy new year to one and all. Children, this year I am going to take one resolution. My resolution is respecting and treating everyone equally.
అందరూ బాగున్నారా? ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పేరు పేరున నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. అయితే ప్రతి సంవత్సరం మనం ఏదో ఒక రిజల్యూషన్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటాము నూతన సంవత్సరం సందర్భంగా. సో ఈ సంవత్సరం నేను తీసుకున్నటువంటి రిజల్యూషన్ చెట్లను పెంచుదాం. పచ్చని చెట్లు ప్రగతికి మెట్లు. చెట్లు ఉంటేనే మన జీవితం ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ప్రతి ఒక్కరం చెట్లను పెంచుదాము, మన జీవితాలను మనమే కాపాడుకుందాం.
Hello children, गुड मॉर्निंग, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। नवीन वर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हर एक जन न्यू ईयर के लिए एक रेजोल्यूशन लेता है, तो आज मैं इस न्यू ईयर के मौके पर एक रेजोल्यूशन ले रही हूँ, बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड बी ग्रेटफुल। बच्चों, जीवन में टाइम, डिसिप्लिन, गुड हैबिट और बिलीव, हार्ड वर्क जरूरी है। गॉड इज ग्रेट एंड एवरीवन इज ग्रेट। थैंक यू।
Hello my dear students, how are you all? First of all, I wish all my students a happy new year. And this year children, I am going to take this resolution. Focus on learning to improve skills. So I wish you will also take one. Goodbye children.
Hello children, I wish you all a very happy new year. Everyone will take a new resolution every year. So my resolution for this year is to make my child avoid using mobile for playing games. So I guess you all also will pick up this resolution to avoid using gadgets for playing games. Instead, please play some outdoor games. Okay children?
Hi children, wish you happy new year. This year my resolution is I want to do more and more yoga. So I want to keep my body fit and healthy. So please, you have to choose any one resolution. So this is my resolution in 2021. I want to do more and more yoga.
Hi dear students, have you seen the New Year resolution taken up by our teachers? Now it's time for you to take up the resolution. Just think of what things you can do to make yourself better before the year's through. Resolutions can be tough or as simple as can be, but making resolution is great for you and me. So, what will you promise to help yourself, my dear? You just think about it.